Bully bath time. Two males. Second bath in the bathtub. Babe, I need a cup. Can you stop doing that? Give me a cup or a bowl. Hey, look at that. Lukewarm water. I'm using mild baby wash. It's a baby soap, like Johnson & Johnson, but knockoff brand. Anything that's very lightly scented when they're puppies. Try not to get their heads wet, because then they're really not going to like that. Make sure you rinse them real good. Two-person job. I would suggest you get somebody to help you. By yourself, you should do one by one. Wash them in a sink instead of a bathtub. Dry them off real good. Try not to get any water in their ears, especially when they're small. That was 2. Got 5 more to go. I'm not going to make the video too long. So dry them off real good. Like I said, use a mild wash, something like this. Knockoff brand, Johnson & Johnson. Especially for the first couple baths. Then I use Tropic Clean. And when they get a little bit older, medicated oatmeal, coconut. But for puppies, like I said, baby wash is fine. Don't put too much. Make sure you rinse them very good. And make sure they don't drink too much of the water or at all, because then they'll have some diarrhea from the soap. I mean, it's mild soap, but you don't want them to have diarrhea, because then they can get dehydrated and stuff like that. So, like I said, this is just some bully bath time. These are brothers. Give me a hand. That's it. These brothers off of CinemaBullyz Matrix and ABKC Champions, CinemaBullyz, Queen of the Dam. These are the two top brothers, in my opinion. And they're cold, so I'm going to get them warmed up and get them back with their brothers and sisters. Take care, guys.